The lid on the KOHLER Eir Intelligent Toilet is customizable and can be changed to match other finishes and styles in your bathroom. This video demonstrates how to remove the old lid and install a new lid on your toilet. For this installation segment, you will need a 3/32 inch hex wrench. Start by removing the back cover from the toilet. Then open the toilet lid and remove the bumpers from each of the hinges. Using a 3/32 inch hex wrench, loosen and remove the screws holding the lid in place. Set the screws and the bumpers aside, as you will need them to install the new lid. Remove the old lid. Position the new lid over the hinges. Using the hex wrench, partially secure the lid to the hinges with the screws. Close the lid and install the new back cover by pressing it onto the toilet. Adjust the lid so it lines up with the toilet seat and bowl. Once the lid is properly adjusted, securely tighten the screws. Reinstall the bumpers on each of the hinges.